How to create Cybersource account. First, open your browser and go to cybersource.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Request Account button. Cybersource doesn't offer instant self-sign-up like some platforms, because they verify all business accounts, so you'll be taken to a short registration form. Now enter your business name, email, website URL, estimated transaction volume, and your contact information. Make sure everything is accurate because a Cybersource representative will use this info to verify your business. After submitting the form, you'll receive an email confirming that your request has been received within 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, you'll get your login credentials. Go ahead and sign in at businesscente or .cybe or source.com, where you can generate API keys, set up payment methods, integrate with your website, and start processing payments. Thanks for watching.